Welcome everybody here at California's Great American Taste of Orleans Fest. So let's go have some fun.
We have the best thing here at California's Great America.
So at this festival there are 6 things to try. Looks like they got a beignet with Creole, crispy frog legs, and, looks like a hush puppy, crawfish, chicken, and catfish. Here are the different beer and wine featured items that you can try at this festival. So in order to try all 6 items, you can buy this tasting card. Try 6 items for 25 bucks, or you can buy them individually if you want. They also have a tasting card for 6 alcoholic items if you want that also. So just some quick info. This event runs for 2 weekends in the end of July, and I believe this is the second year that this theme park is hosting this. So first up, the crawfish. So this is the crawfish etouffee. I'm not the best describer of food, so I'm gonna describe it as best I can how it tastes. What's really good is the sauce is not that spicy, but you can kind of taste it. So it's spicy enough. It's the crawfish broken up in chunks in the sauce, and they actually made it pretty good. So overall, not a bad first item. So let's go try a second item. Chef Snoopy. It's nice to see all the Mardi Gras type decoration out. It makes it very festive. Of course, they have the chalk artists all over this New Orleans square here. So they have a jester on this one. We'll take a look at this one. Almost done, but it looks pretty impressive. All right, let's try the hush puppy shrimp skewer next. So here's the hush puppy shrimp skewer. Got some sauce on the side. So let's give it a taste here. Well, I'm really surprised that they give you a whole piece of shrimp in there. So it looks like it's like 3 pieces of shrimp inside the skewer. But the one thing I really like about this is that they have whole pieces of shrimp in there. It makes it taste pretty good. I was expecting more of like a tempura was just 1 piece of shrimp, but nope. It's got like 3 pieces of shrimp in there. The shrimp is not overdone, so that's a good thing. That and the dough's not that thick, so it tastes pretty good. I almost want to say it's almost tastes like a corn dog without the hot dog inside it. That shrimp, Cajun shrimp, so that's what it reminded me of actually. So over in this area they have games for kids, like checkers or Connect 4. If I was 20 years younger, I'd be all over this. So in this building here, you can even do some mask decorating. You have some feathers, some beads, and decorate a mask however you want it. Okay, the third item I'm gonna try is the chicken gumbo. Chicken and sausage gumbo over rice. It looks piping hot. Probably should have waited till a little later since it's hot out to try this, but we're just gonna dig in anyway. Here we go. Alright, first impressions, not bad. I've had better gumbo than this. The one thing I do like is that it is spicy, so I'm a sucker for spicy food, so I do like that. So you can see that they had rice on the bottom with mixed in with some chicken and sausage. So I'm gonna finish the rest of this gumbo here. see what this chalk artist is drawing. Looks like a tiger. All right, 3 items down. Let's try the blackened catfish slider. See how that is. So first bite's not bad. I like the seasoning of the catfish. I like the difference between the seasoning of the catfish and the slaw and how it complements each other. All right, it's time to try the one thing I'm interested in trying the most. That's right, the crispy frog legs. All right, I got my frog legs with some dipping sauce here. So let's give this a try. So I've actually tried frog legs once before, and actually, they say it tastes like chicken, but to me it tastes kind of like calamari. So let's see how it is this time. All right, here we go. Frog legs.
I'm gonna drop that. I know, it's right there.
It's actually very crispy. It actually does taste like chicken. I like that the sauce is very sweet though, and it complements the frog legs. Now I know what you may be thinking. Frog legs, really? But to be honest with you, that doesn't seem weird or anything. It tastes quite natural since I've had frog legs before. And anything fried tastes pretty good. All right, lastly, get a choice of bread pudding or beignet. Since I had beignet at Disneyland, I think I'll go with the bread pudding. Looks like a pretty decent size, so let's give this a try. All right. So good. It just melts in your mouth. The only minor downside, it tastes kind of rich to me. Although I kind of wish that they'd give you a scoop of ice cream to go with it though. Let's take a look at this chalk drawing. Alligator chef cooking up something delicious. He's like, yeah, look what I did. And of course the stilt walkers are out. So this one has a voodoo theme. I don't think I want to mess with her. And of course, it's never too early or never too late to celebrate Mardi Gras. Alright, so I had all 6 items and I want to give my final thoughts. My favorite by far was the shrimp skewer. And probably the thing I probably liked the least was probably the gumbo, because I've had better gumbo, so I'm gonna have to give that my lowest ranking. So again, you're gonna have to forgive me if I'm not the best describer at describing these foods here, so go easy on me. But everything tastes pretty good. I'm sure that you can find better stuff than this, but in terms of theme park food, it tasted pretty good. Had a lot of fun here at the Taste of New Orleans Festival. Hopefully it'll get better and better as the years go by. So there you have it, folks. Got to see some awesome street art, try some tasty food, and listen to some awesome music. All in all, a good event. But before I leave, here are the fireworks that are going to close out this event. So I'll see you all in the next adventure. You all take care now. Bye-bye.